Hello and welcome to a class. In today's class, we will be learning about highest common factor, which in short is called HCF. Before going to the topic straight away, we will first try to understand what prime numbers are. So prime numbers are numbers with exactly two factors. 23 is a prime number. The only numbers which divide into 23 exactly are 1 and 23. You cannot think of any other number that divides 23 exactly. One important use of prime numbers is in computer security. They are used in creating the encryption codes actually. We can break down any number into a product of its prime factors. For example, 60, we make factor tree to help us. First, think of two factors which multiply to give 60. So 60 is 3 times 20. Again, we can factor 20, and that is 4 times 5. And again we can factor 4, that is 2 times 2. So factors of 60 are 3, 2, 2, 5. That means 60 equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And here we are getting 2 times, so we can say 60 is equal to 2 square times 3 times 5. Now you can try 24 to factorize the similar way I explained earlier. And here you have few more questions to solve as homework. Now using prime factors, it works out that 72 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. In this case 2 and 3 appear more than once. They are called repeated factors. Repeated factors can be shown using powers or index notation. We can write 72 as 72 is equal to 2q times 3 square. Here is one possible factor tree for 300. 300 is 10 times 30. Now 10 further divided, can be factored as 2 times 5 and 30 as 6 times 5. Again 60 can be further factored 2 times 3. Now you can see all these numbers that are highlighted, they are all prime numbers. So 300 has the factors of prime numbers 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, which you can say as 2 square times 5 square times 3. Now here you have questions to practice, and you have to match these 2, 3 and 5 square. 5 square is 25 times 3 is 75 times 2 is 150. So this will match with this, or this will match with this. 2 times 3 times 5 square will be 150. The highest common factor HCF of 18 and 30 is the highest number that both can be divided by without a remainder. For small numbers like these, we can just list all the factors. 18 has factors 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. That means 18 can be divided completely with these numbers. Similarly, 30 can be divided completely with these numbers. Now you have to see the common factors. So 1, 2, 3, 6. These are common factors. And 6 being the highest among the common factors. So highest common factor for 18 and 30 would be 6. Highest common factor in both lists is 6. Let's find the HCF of 84 and 120. First we draw tree for each of them. 84 is 2 times 42, 42 is 7 times 6, and we divide further, factorize further 6, and we get 6 is equal to 3 times 2. Similarly 120, 10 times 12, 10 can be further factorized 5 times 2, 12 can be further factorized 2 times 6, and again 6 can be further factorized 2 times 3. So 120 here is 5 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And 84 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. Now pair of the factors which occur in both the products. So their first pair is 2, 2. Second pair is also 2, 2. Third pair is 3, 3. Then multiply the numbers which occur in both. So 2 occurs in both, 2 occurs in both, and 3 occurs in both. So HCF will be 2 times 2 times 3, that is 12. This is how you have to find the factors of two given numbers. Hope my explanation was clear so far. A quick revision on, first let me show you something else. Here are some questions for you. Write these numbers as product of prime factors, then work out the HCF of these pair. So you have to write the product first for this 45 and then 150, and then sort out the common factors, and from there the highest one will be the highest common factor. Hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.